Hi, everybody. Today, I'm working on a plumbing issue, and it's the kind of situation that could easily happen to you. So let me show you what's going on. We're just going to dive right into it. Today's video is a quick tip video. I'm going to show you a plumbing repair on a broken pipe that could easily happen to you. And I also want to show you a tool that I got to tell you, I got a little blowback from my little brother about it. He said, Leah, you're never going to use that tool in a million years. And I said, Dave, you never know. And never know came today because I really needed the tool. Let me show you what it is, how it works, and we're going to make that repair. This right here is an emergency water shutoff tool, and it has several different heads that you can swap out depending upon the diameter of the pipe that you're working on. If you have a situation where you can't cut off the water, but you need the water on in the rest of the house, what you do is you take one of these heads. We're working with half-inch pipe, so this is for a half-inch. You just insert it in the pipe, and then you turn the handle. And what happens is, turning the handle expands the rubber so it grips the inside of the pipe and creates a watertight seal. What you're looking at is a spigot. And as I was changing out the garden hose, the spigot snapped off. I had water everywhere, and I didn't have the part I needed to replace it. And here's the problem. All the big box stores were closed, and we needed water for the evening, so that's where the water stopper tool came in real handy. I just inserted it, it stopped the flow of water, and we had water for that evening. All right, it's the following day. It's time to remove the water stopper. It did its job, but now it's time to make that repair. Now I've shut the water off at the main, and I gotta tell you, it's a tricky repair, so let me show you what's going on. Okay, what you're looking at is a little bit of burnt paint from where I took a torch and heated up the fitting here. Now, the paint can be scraped off, and I'll just repaint because this is a stone wall. What I realized was what I thought was a broken pipe in a T, well, that was not the case. The problem is that the broken pipe is inside of the T-fitting. Now I've got to heat it up and see if I can reach inside that pipe and somehow retrieve that snapped off half-inch copper tubing. If I can't do it, then unfortunately I'm going to have to take a sledgehammer, bust out the cinder block, cut out the old T, and replace it with a new one. And I don't want to do that. Okay, I've got a torch here. I'm going to heat this up, and then I'm going to try to pull that pipe out. All right, I've got a pair of needle nose pliers that I'm going to insert into the pipe and try to give it a tug as that solder heats up and starts to melt. And hopefully I can wiggle this. Yep, here we go. We've got it coming out. I think it's going to be okay, folks. There we go, folks. Now, if you ever find yourself with a pipe that has broke off inside of a joint, now you know what to do. So I'll place a link in the description below to the emergency water shutoff tool in the event that you want to check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.